In this video, I am going to show you how to make Instagram story highlight covers which look like this, and that also for free. So keep watching. I am Sanidhya Baveja, and this is the place where I talk about digital marketing, personal branding and earning money online. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram or any other social media channel, then the links to it are in the description below. Well, let's get things started. So this is the tutorial where we would be covering everything on Canva. We would be making everything from scratch on Canva. So let me take you to my computer screen and show you how it is done. So now that we are on my computer screen, so I have opened canva.com. Over here you can type Instagram story. So you will see this particular suggested option which is coming over here, and it also has the basic dimensions which are highlighted. You don't have to do anything, you just have to click on this one and it will automatically create one for you. So now either you can choose from the wide variety of options which Canva has already given for you, or you can create a blank one. Choice is up to you. I'll first show you how to make modifications in the one which is already given by Canva. So I'll select this one. So it has opened. Now I have selected this one, and there are various options which are available over here. Okay, so I can change the background. The color is over here. I can change it. I can change the color of this one, as well as I would be able to change the color of this one. So this is how we can modify this one. But the best exercise would be if I start making it from scratch, so that you have a clearer idea of how you can do everything, and that would also cover how to modify it. So let's go and make a blank one. Okay, now this is the blank one. Okay, now I want a proper background, so I'll go on the background and I want a gradient kind of thing. Okay, so this is how it will make it. I can change the color. So usually I use black and green, but for this one I'll be using something like yellow. Now this one is good. This one is good to go. So now that we have selected a color, which is a background, now we have to insert an icon. So let's make an icon of anything which is related to lifestyle, which is, let's say, makeup. So we'll go into the elements. Now we want to search an icon for makeup. So we'll just type makeup over here. Oh, nice. So these are the icons which are already available over here. So I'll select any of these. Okay, I'll select this one, for example. So I have got it, but this is a huge one. So I'll just replace it, just delete it. Okay, because you also have to take that thing into mind that this should be smaller, so that you don't have to crop it up. This one seems justified. Okay, so I'll just decrease the size of it. Okay, so that it is there, and then you have to make sure that this particular icon is in the middle, and this is how you can make sure. You can see that there is a crosshair. So whenever you are placing an icon and it is in the middle, Canva shows this crosshair to show that this particular icon is now in the center. Okay, and I will leave this. That's how you make one. Okay, now there's one more thing which I would like to add, which is that if you are not able to find any icon over here, then you can go to a particular website. The link to that particular website I'll link in the description below, and you can go over there and search for another icon. So this is the site, and the link to this site will be there in the description below, so do go and check that out. Now that you are over here, you can filter it by free, so that all those which are free are only available over here. Now I'll select this one, because this one seems plain and minimalistic, and I like things which are plain and simple, so that I can customize them accordingly. Now mind it, you'll have to log into this account, okay, so that you are able to customize it. I'll just edit this one. By editing I mean I can use a particular color. Yeah, so this is how I have changed the color. Now you can download it as a PNG, and then I can delete this one and I can replace it by this particular option. So now I have done that. And by default, whenever you are placing any image on Canva, it places in the middle, but you need to make sure whether it is in the middle or not. So this is how you make sure that it is in the middle. Now you have to make sure that this is a bit smaller so that it appears in that circle of the Instagram highlight cover. I like to make it 400 cross 400, but it's not happening, so 401 cross 401 will also do. And now I'll place it over here. Now I'll download this and send this to my phone, and let's move on to my phone screen now. There are two ways how you would like to make a highlight, which is first of all is a new one, or there might be some which are existing. In both the cases, there would be an option where you would be asked to add a story highlight cover. So first of all, let me show you how to make changes in the one which is already existing. Now this is how it looks right now on my personal account. I'll go into emotions and click on more, and I'll just click on edit highlight. So when I'm clicking on edit highlight, I'll see that over here there is edit cover. So by clicking on edit cover, it's asking me to either use the one which are already there, or I can upload one. So I'll click on the upload one, which is over here. Now I selected the one, and I'm gonna just enlarge it a bit so that it starts looking, or it starts to come in between. So mind it, I did 400 cross 400 in the Canva. You can increase it a bit because it looks, in the original form it looks a bit smaller, and this is how you should go about it. And I'll just click done, and then done. Yeah, this is how it looks. Seems perfect. Now in the new one, when you are making a new one, you'll click over here and then just do this one, select it. So after clicking on new one, I selected a few stories, and after that, this is the screen which I got. And over here it is asking me to edit the cover and also asking me to name the highlight. So I'll name the highlight as random. Okay, and I can edit the cover again. I'll click on edit the cover, and I'll pick one from my gallery. I'm clicking, so I have selected this one again. I'll just enlarge the icon a bit so that it's prominent, so that from that small circle it starts looking a bit more prominent, so that it's visible. Otherwise it's too small and people won't be able to look at it. So done. Yeah, one more. So this is how you will make it. So if you found any value out of this video, then do give it a thumbs up, and also you can share it with your friends. While you are at it and you are enjoying this video and want to have a look at more videos like this one, then you can definitely check out this playlist which is on Instagram. And if you want to grow your YouTube, then you can look at this playlist. Until next time, bye bye.